Rockwell, Megaworld, the Citadines, SM Residences. Good morning viewers. Today I'm doing a video on the building and construction updates in the city. New condominiums and condominiums almost ready. The fastest construction in the city, for me anyway, seems to be at the new Rockwell place. Narrow residences at Rockwell, which has gone up very, very quickly. And here near Lopez East, the Shell station is actually open at last. Probably because it's seen some new competition coming. There's a new sea oil opening here, guys, just near Robinson's in Lopez East. And looks like we've got a new pizza place on the way too. And just opposite the government centre, these condominiums look nice. You actually have balconies, which so many condominiums don't at the moment. Right opposite the government centre, and it has balconies. It's great to have condos with a balcony. If not, it's like staying in an office. Here we are at the new Megaworld project. This road is newly opened. You can actually drive straight in now. And there's two condominiums down here. The Upper East at Megaworld. And apart from having what they say is going to be the most beautiful McDonald's, in the background there's Regis 1, which actually looks finished now. But again, for me, it's missing balconies. It would have sold a lot better with balconies. And same goes for the building next door. This one, not finished yet, still under construction. It's Regis 2. These are the two big condominiums in Megaworld. And where's that train gone? There was a sugar train there only a couple of weeks ago. What are they doing to it? Hope they're renovating it. So that's Megaworld, the Upper East. And what a contrast when you get outside of Megaworld. This is the place where all the carpenters work. We're just coming up to SM City Mall now, and our next stop is the Smile Residences, just behind the mall. It's between the mall and the sea. There's 6 actual constructions going on at the moment. Let's go and have a look. SM Smile Residences. Here they are, the 6 blocks. And the actual structures look complete. Very far from finished, but the structures seem to be up. These were all built with cement instead of hollow blocks. Just poured cement. This is SM Smile Residences. And now we have a park in Radisson in the city. I wonder what's the next big hotel chain to arrive? No idea. If you know, let me know in the comments, guys. Next big hotel chain to come to the city. Here's the Ayala condos and my escapes. They all look finished now. You've done a very good job there, Ayala. And look guys, they have balconies. Wouldn't that make a difference? It would to me. And this is the new Cafe Bob's. It seems to be finished, but it's not open yet. Cafe Bob's is an institution in BACOLOD City. Now here we are back on Laxon Street. And here's the biggest condo. Citari. Still not finished. It's a long way from it by the looks of it. And the Grand Zing Hotel up there. And here's the Citadines. It looks like it's having its windows installed now. So the construction of it is pretty much finished. It's pretty high. And just behind there are the 3 Mesavirre buildings. One of those looks pretty much finished as well now. Yep, things are really developing up here at the north of the city, guys. This is going to be the condominium area. And also just behind the Mesavirre buildings, they're building more condominiums. They've not started them yet, but Casamira, this way, I can't get through because the security, they're going to be down here. So this is going to be like a skyscraper city area. It's going to be like the McCarthy of BACOLOD City when it's finished. Condos everywhere. And you can see the 3 separate buildings there of Mesavirre. The one on the left looks pretty much done. Who's going to live in all these condos? God knows. Right, back on the strip now. Here's Laxon Street. I'm going to have a look at this new medical building. Which is right next to here, the bus station, the Ceres Liner bus station. Here it is, the new medical centre. Is that it? Is that all they've done? Well, they've got a big crane here, but not a lot of progress there at all. Now straight on up that road to Bata subdivision, which is called Bata because of BACOLOD and Talisai. BACOLOD and Talisai, Bata. There's Lopez Mandalagan. Just going past the new city mall here. And we're on Bury Road. At the end of Bury Road is the new Rockwell. There's a couple of things to see before you get there. There's a new little restaurant strip on the right here. It's got quite a few new places. There's a bakery coming soon. There's the Korean place, Romantic Baboy, which was on Laxon Street. There's a little Chinese place, Honky, which looks like a Chowking. There's a Pares place. It's got to have beef Pares. And a little bar at the end. And I found a new little river project just by there as well. They're developing all this area. There's a little path and an esplanade there as well. Where it goes, maybe error echo. If you know where that path goes, guys, let me know. And here's the Oliveira. 2 more condominiums where they didn't bother putting balconies. So if you bought one of those, how'd you like it? Is it like staying in an office? There's Carmela Homes. Here's the new supermarket and all home department store on the left. And right opposite is the new Rockwell. Yes, we have a new Rockwell in the city. And it's going up very fast as well. Look at that. It looks like the finished construction, well, the basic construction on one of the buildings. I'm not supposed to go up here, but the guard must be on lunch. I'll just be cheeky. There it is, new Rockwell. BACOLOD City has a Rockwell. So there we have it. Long way from completion yet, but they're working fast up here at Rockwell. Must have lots of workers on the job. So that's Rockwell. At the end of 6th Street, guys, near the Maybank, there's another building here. It's quite heavily under construction. Doesn't seem much change there since I last came. But just around the corner on 6th Street, this building looks finished almost. Expect a few restaurants to appear in this area. Here it is on the right hand side. There it is. 5 floors high now. All its windows are in. Not far from finished. The ESJ building. ESJ. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed some of the construction updates in the city here in 2022, and there's one last building which doesn't seem to be finishing fast enough. I'll leave you with that. It's downtown Giussano Mall. Come on guys, hurry up.